Hello friends, welcome to my channel Om's Beautiful World. Today in this video I will tell a story, My Loving Parents. Let's read. Mother and father are chosen by God to look after us. We are in this world because of our parents. They are God's gifts to us. They do their best to make us happy. My mother's name is Smita Debadarsni. She works very hard. She cooks delicious food for the family. She also keeps the house clean. My father's name is Dr. Biswajit Naik. He is very strong. He works hard and earns money for the family. On Sundays we have meals together. I help my parents to water the plants and wash his car. I also help mother in dusting the house. In the evening we go out for a ride. At night mommy reads out stories to me. My parents help and guide me. They teach my good values. I love my parents. They are very special. Moral of the story is, your parents always want the best for you. Love and respect them. My story is over. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.